This is a Lenovo G560 laptop. It's probably like 8, 9 years old. See, Lenovo. Last week, I decided to reinstall everything, I guess, for my brother. So I did a triple boot of Windows 7, Windows 10, and Linux. Linux Mint, to be specific. Here I'm on Grub, and I can choose what I want to boot to. I need to fix Grub so that it shows Windows 7, but that's a different story. Here is the boot selection screen. I had an issue after installing Linux that I think it messed up my BCD boot file, so it would just only load straight to Windows 10. But I repaired the BCD boot entries using and it goes back here, but it's not broken, sort of. Go back to Windows 10, enter that, and then it's gonna load into Windows 7. It's weird. I don't know how Windows works. Voila, Windows 7. It's not the fastest laptop. Going into Yahoo, but it's usable, especially after factory resetting it. Reinstalling Windows. You can hear the fan. It's really working hard. One thing was just after reinstalling Windows 7. Well, first of all, trying to find a Windows 7 installation ISO file. An official one was a pain in the keister. I had to get an unofficial one because obviously Microsoft doesn't want to host Windows 7 ISO files anymore. And so I'm going to do Alex do you can watch one of my really boring videos. But it works. Loads up web pages just fine. Again, the biggest issue for me was after installing it, besides just finding the installation DVD or ISO, was installing the updates. Windows updates took literally 3 to 5 hours to do. And so that was a pain in the butt. So that's a Windows 7. Let me go. Oh, finding drivers or just installing drivers was a pain in the butt too. I had to go to Lenovo's website, and half the drivers didn't install. So let's go boot into Windows 10. That was a lot easier. There wasn't any big issues installing and running Windows 10. Again, I used the activation code underneath here for Windows 7 to input it into this installation. Downloading the ISO file was easy because it's all available on the Microsoft website. And then, so Windows 10 for me runs pretty smooth, but I can't get it activated. There's no free upgrade, so it's asking me to purchase Windows 10 if I want to get it activated. So that's a different story. I'm just looking for a good deal on Windows 10 activation keys. I don't feel like spending $100, which I think is ridiculous since I already have Windows 7 on here, and they should offer some type of discount for me going from Windows 7 to Windows 10, but they want to charge me retail pricing. Let's go try to boot up something. This is running off of a 250 gig SSD. So it boots up stuff pretty fast. Here's another one of my really boring videos. It's ironic, it's showing me State Farm when I made a Liberty Mutual video. So here's my sound and everything was working fine. So you can hear the fans again, it's running pretty hard. This really old laptop is still usable. This is even before like first, second, and third gen Intel processors. But it's enough to surf the internet and even use Windows 10 on an old G560. So I just wanted to show that it runs Windows 10 pretty decently. Again, the hardest part is the fan over here. Drivers installed by default. I think I didn't really have any issues installing drivers. So that was good. Let me go restart into Linux now. Again, when I installed Linux Mint, when it resized the Windows 10 partition, it did something to the boot entries, the BCD entries, and so I couldn't boot into Windows 7 anymore, even though I had access to Windows 10. So I needed to fix that. That was the one bad thing about installing Linux Mint. But Linux Mint runs the smoothest, obviously, because it uses the least amount of system resources. Windows 10 it took a long time to install all the updates also. But Linux Mint was very easy installation. Took 20-30 minutes to do, and here I am. It's booting. Goes into there pretty quickly. So let me go ahead and open the browser. Here's YouTube. Oops. Yahoo. You can see it loads web pages pretty easily. See over there. Plays video pretty easily. So, just wanted to show I was able to install those three, and obviously Linux runs the best on this because of system resource usage, but I'm not planning to do much other than install these operating systems and calling it a day. After getting it from my brother, I just wanted to put in clean installations just to wipe out any type of like spyware that might be on the laptop, but that's it. And of course I have a little piece of tape covering the front camera because I'm worried about security issues. But that's it. Installed Windows 7, works fine. Installed Windows 10, works fine, but can't get it activated. I need to purchase an activation key because it won't do the free upgrade. There's no free upgrade. Then installed Linux Mint, which is free and runs pretty smooth. So this is on so I just checked on the internet. This was made in 2011, which was 13 years ago. So this is a 13-year-old laptop running triple boot. And surprised, Windows 10 runs pretty smooth, as well as Linux Mint.